Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful viewers. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share the yummiest recipe, and that's one of my favorite dish, chicken tikka. So here you can see I have 6 chicken tikka legs, and I'm gonna share the ingredients with you. And that's a very popular dish. Everyone's loved it. Whenever we go restaurant, we ended up ordering the chicken tikka barbecue, so you can make it at home. So first of all, I need 2 tablespoons lemon juice. I need 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and I have 2 tablespoons olive oil. I have 5 tablespoons yogurt, or you can take a half cup, but I took like a 5 tablespoons. I have cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and it's up to your taste. If you need more red chili, like if you like spicy food, you can add like 1.5 tablespoon, but I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. I have 1 teaspoon chaat masala. I have 1 teaspoon paprika, and I have 1 teaspoon garam masala. Here I have coriander seeds, which I roasted and crushed it. I have 1 teaspoon salt, because I already used like 3 tablespoons in the water when I dipped my chicken in for 4 hours. So it's a little salty right now, my chicken, because it has vinegar in it and salt in it. So I'm just gonna use less salt, like 1 teaspoon, or you can use the half teaspoon. I think 1 teaspoon will be good. I have food color. I'm using the yellow food color for chicken tikka. I have 1 teaspoon black pepper, and I have 2 teaspoon coriander powder. So let's get started. सबसे पहले I'm gonna add my half cup yogurt, all my masalas, then my adrak lasan paste, lemon juice, and olive oil.